What does kaleidoscopical mean? The word kaleidoscopical describes something that is constantly changing, full of colors, and visually dynamic, just like a kaleidoscope. It represents diversity, shifting patterns, and an ever-evolving nature, making it a perfect word to describe vibrant and multifaceted things. Definition of kaleidoscopical. Kaleidoscopical is an adjective that refers to something with ever-changing patterns, colors, or impressions. It can describe art, nature, emotions, or even ideas that shift and transform beautifully. Kaleidoscopical synonyms: colorful, vibrant, ever-changing, dynamic, multicolored, shifting, variegated. Using kaleidoscopical in sentences. The kaleidoscopical sky during sunset was breathtaking. Her thoughts were kaleidoscopical, constantly shifting from one idea to another. The festival was a kaleidoscopical blend of colors, music, and traditions. Why use the word kaleidoscopical? This word brings life and energy to any sentence. It's perfect for describing something vivid, mesmerizing, and constantly evolving, just like a kaleidoscope itself.